we've got some really exciting product announcements to share with you. Today, we're focusing on two products that have played integral roles in people's everyday lives, Apple Watch and iPad. Let's get started with Apple Watch.
And watchOS 7 now uses your motion and heart rate to measure a lower range of VO2 max values. Now, the American Heart Association recommends routinely assessing cardio fitness levels. And VO2 max is the most accurate way to capture this. With Apple Watch Series 6, you can measure your blood oxygen right from your wrist. The new health sensor in Series 6 shines red and infrared light onto your wrist and measures the amount of light reflected back. Advanced algorithms use this data to calculate the color of your blood, which indicates the amount of oxygen present. The new Blood Oxygen app lets you take a measurement in just 15 seconds. Inside Series 6 is our 6th generation system in package. It includes a high-performance dual-core processor based on the A13 Bionic in iPhone 11, but optimized for Apple Watch. The S6 is up to 20% faster than the previous generation. Series 6 also features a new always-on altimeter that provides continuous elevation throughout the day. The Solo Loop is remarkably simple. No clasp, no buckle, no overlapping parts, just one continuous piece. Made from custom liquid silicone, the Solo Loop is stretchable so you can easily slip it on and off your wrist.
Family setup. With Family Setup, you can use your iPhone to pair watches for your children or older members in your household who don't have their own phones. And they will have their own phone number.
The second thing we're doing to make Apple Watch available to even more people is to create a new model that combines elements of Series 6 design with the most essential features of Apple Watch, all at a more affordable price. We call it Apple Watch SE. With all of these features and more, including the new capabilities in watchOS 7, we think Apple Watch SE will be the perfect watch for many new customers. Apple Watch SE starts at just $279. Apple Watch Series 6 with the breakthrough new blood oxygen sensor starts at just $399.
Introducing Apple Fitness Plus. This year, we wanted to push the Apple Watch workout experience even further. So we are creating amazing workouts with incredible music delivered by the world's best trainers. You get 10 different types of studio workouts, so there's something for everyone. Incredible music built into each workout to keep you moving, and the world's best trainers. The price is $9.99 per month.
Now let's turn our attention to iPad.
The new iPad 8th generation. It's more capable than ever, and it starts with the A12 Bionic. With iPadOS 14, the already amazing experience of Apple Pencil gets even better. These powerful handwriting and note-taking features join a host of other new features that continue to push what's possible on iPad. And it all runs beautifully on the new iPad 8th generation. With its 10.2-inch Retina display, huge performance boost from the A12 Bionic, keyboard and pencil support, great cameras, and so much more.
And that's not all. As I told you, we're updating our entire full-size lineup. So that brings us to iPad Air.
So we designed a next-generation Touch ID and integrated it right into the top button. Another reason customers love iPad Air is its performance. So we're debuting an incredibly powerful new chip, which is going to give the new Air a huge leap in performance.
So that's the new A14 Bionic. It delivers big performance updates for the CPU and GPU, makes iPad Air much more powerful for machine learning, and also features the latest ISP for higher quality videos and photos, and even faster Secure Enclave for Touch ID.
Another great feature we're bringing to iPad Air is USB-C. The new Air also includes great cameras front and back. The front 7-megapixel FaceTime HD camera supports Smart HDR, improved 1080p video capture, and better low-light performance for really high-quality video calls. And on the back is the same 12-megapixel camera used in the iPad Pro, with focus pixels and a larger aperture to capture incredibly sharp photos and stunning 4K video, enhanced with improved video stabilization. So this is the new iPad Air, featuring a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, next-generation Touch ID, a huge boost in performance with A14 Bionic, USB-C, advanced cameras, Wi-Fi 6, and LTE that's 60% faster. It'll start at $599.
Thank you all for joining us. At Apple, our mission is to design products and services that empower and inspire you. And we're so excited to see what you'll do with all of the new innovations introduced today. Everyone take care, stay safe, and have a great day.